Hi everybody, we're just having a chill out. Robbie's making our cappuccino. He's not very good today. I don't know. Oh,
That's twice you said that.
I don't know. I thought you.
No, yesterday I weren't brilliant.
Yeah, well, I'm just saying I didn't think you were brilliant today. That's all. Okay. Me, the reason why I didn't film early is because I've been in and out of sleep all day, which I needed. I suffer with insomnia. That noise you can hear is a cappuccino. It's nice and all. Mm. So anyway, like I say, Robbie is being pottering about the caravan. Inside our second dome, looks better. Look, can you see? Oh, and as you can see now, we've got our little ornaments back up. Can you see? Oh, back up. And what's out there? Look. Yeah. Oh, they're the flowers Rob bought me yesterday when we come. Yeah, let me just pan you around a minute. Yeah, just making a cappuccino. Can I get past you, honey? That's it. I'll just quickly show you outside. There we go, look. There's quite a few here. Look. You see? All around there. Okay, and that. There's quite a few, like I say, it's quite busy. But it's gorgeous here though, it's beautiful. It really is, stunning. But yeah. Yeah. Anyway, just pan you round. Get over here, look. This spot where I sit. Oh dear, have you got what to say then, honey bunny? Have you got what to say before I switch off?
Not really, I'm not doing that right now.
He's been pottering about, you know. Oh, that's a new clock up there. He put that up and... Oh, and he's put the little... I don't know what them green things up there. They're monkeys, the frogs. Frogs, I think. What are you looking for? Your chocolate's there. Yeah. I'm ready for this hot chocolate. I was gonna have a pint, but I'm not sitting out in the chairs. It's really, I don't know if it's my age or what, but I can't stand being cold. Anyway, excuse me. Anyway, I just thought I'd give a quick video. So, until the next time, catch you later. Toodle pip.